Yes, good evening, Akshit and Devasti.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, so today only I declared the results and performance was not up to the mark. May I know what is the reason why you guys didn't perform well?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I was not at home yesterday. I went to some Yadagiri Gutta for some. My mom was having some mukku, sir. So I went there. I was late. I came at 3 o'clock, sir, evening, and I was not confident that I could write an exam or not. But I wrote the exam. I was not. I did not expect I will get those many mistakes, sir.
Okay, what about you, Akshit? I can't hear you, Akshit, properly. I can't hear your voice. Can't hear you. Yes, Akshit, can you tell me? Can you hear me, Akshit? Akshit, I can't hear you.
Now,
Yes, can you please talk loudly?
The voice is too low, sir.
sir,
Yes, I can hear you now. Tell me.
was
Talk loudly.
we went out, sir. So,
Huh?
sir, we went out yesterday. I mean, on Saturday. So I did not revise that well. That's why I got confused with a few questions.
You should have prepared first, like Devasri and Akshit. You should have prepared the test before and attempt it and just go wherever you want, right? You can't you can't say this kind of excuses every
Sir,
time.
I went early morning, sir, at 4:30 a.m. So that I don't know. I don't think I did not think that I may come so fast, but it was too late, sir.
Mm-hmm.
I
Akshit,
went 4:30 in the morning, sir. That's why if I
Akshit,
went at 11 o'clock, my mom said you can write and go so that we can. My father told you can go at 4:30, so we went at 4:30, sir.
yes, Akshit, tell me. Akshit, I couldn't hear your voice. Tell me. Hello?
Sir, I will keep it in the chat.
Yours? I can't hear your voice. Akshit, okay. So,
Sir, but after coming, I have revised, sir, and I did not think I'll get those marks.
okay. So, have you gone through your mistakes, Akshit? Chalo. So, you just one second. See, the chapters whichever I just conducted, only the chapter extra was coordinate geometry, and before the triangles, and linear equation and two variables, pretty easy only. Already we have gone through that. You should have attempted it well actually. Paper was easy only, not much that much difficult. So it was not that much difficult, it was easy only. But I don't know why you guys are not focusing that much. Yes, next time, I should see you that, every week. Yes, Devasvi, you are performing one week, very good, and then, the another week, you are just getting low. Okay.
Yes, sir. I'll try my best in like, this week, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, I'll try my best in this week, sir.
So you have to get good marks this week.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay. Chalo, so now you just tell me what problems, what are the questions you didn't get, and where you had problem for solving. Tell me, look at this, we had this question, right?
Sir, can you hear me?
I can hear you. Tell me which problem you want me to discuss, where you had a problem.
Sir, I was not having any problem, sir. I was not confused, sir. Which answer I was keeping, I was confident with the answer, but I got the mistake, sir. I was
Sorry?
not having any doubt. I solved each and every question, sir.
Okay.
I was not having any doubt, sir, but I was confident with my answer, but also I did not get the good marks, sir.
Further, you must practice well, then you will get.
Yes, sir, I'll practice, sir.
Okay. Further, you must practice well so that you will get good marks. Without practicing, how come you expect? You can't expect, right? So next time,
Yes,
you
sir.
must practice and perform well, and you should not be in that yellow region. I'll be, now you guys are in yellow region, right? The yellow region.
Yes, sir.
That you shouldn't be there actually. All right. So
Okay,
no,
sir.
what is our aim? No yellow
So
region. See, what is your next week target? See, let us not focus on your final exam. Let us focus on the upcoming test, step by step,
yes, sir. Actually, my exams are also coming up in next 5 days, sir. So I'll focus on this and that's it.
So this week target is what? This week target.
Getting good marks and
Not getting.
practicing.
Look at you, practicing daily 10 to 15 MCQs on respective chapter. Which chapter? Look at this. First of all, I'll be telling you the chapter before 2 days. All right. Before 2 days, in the sense, in the Wednesday's class, I'll be telling you which chapter we are going to write. All right.
Yes, sir.
So you
Yes,
must,
sir.
Thursday, Friday, you must prepare, and you just go wherever you want, and after you finishing your test, you just go wherever you want. Practicing daily 10 to 15 daily, not only not only on the day whichever you had the class, whichever you have the class. Every day you must practice. So weekly 3 classes only they are having. So rest of the 3 classes I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna chill out. I'm not gonna solve anything. That shouldn't be the case actually. You understand? All right. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, because daily 10 to 15 MCQs are respective chapter from each chapter. And look at this. Attempt quizzes just for 5 to 10 minutes. Spend your time here. Okay. And let's not be in the yellow region. Let's not be in the Yellow region. Yellow region
Sure.
is a danger region. Danger region. You know,
Okay, sir.
a danger region. We will not prefer that. Okay. You understand? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Where is Akshit? One
Sir,
second.
Akshit left the meet, sir.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Yes. Let's not be in the yellow region. And
Sure, sir.
we have to be. All right. Above 90%. Okay.
Okay,
Understand?
sir.
So these are
Yes,
the
sir.
four. So for this, what are the things we must do? For the what these things for implementing this for implementing this and what exactly we must make? What is our plan supposed to be? So daily 10 to 15 MCQs. If solving MCQs is doesn't mean that practicing MCQs is nothing but it does not mean that just go and just attempt it simply. You understand? Understand that. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If you do not understand, like it won't be, you know, it won't be worthy. There is no point of practicing, right? You understand? If you don't understand, you just come and ask me, okay? Drop me a message. All right. Don't simply solve and leave it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Akshit. Look at this. You just go through these 4 points. You understand? Akshit, can you please repeat these 4 points again? Can you please read these 4 points and just tell me what we are talking about? Just go through these 4 points. Can you talk? Mic is not working. Not an issue. See here, please go through these 4 points and make sure that you're you know implementing that. Clear? Make sure that you guys are executing all these points. Attempt
Yes.
quizzes. However, we will be attempting the quizzes. Attempt the quiz in the sense simply type for like for the a time pass purpose. For the sake of time pass, don't do that. You understand? Attempting the quizzes in the sense even you solve one question, but solve wholeheartedly. All right, solve genuinely. So every week you can't every week you can't be less than 70%. We can't we can't digest that, and we can't afford that above below 70%. Every week you must be keep improving yourself. This is one week. If you're getting in the sense, don't take it easy. Be consistent in the sense, maintain the same graph. What I told you, we love linear graphs. So what is a linear graph? Your focus. If you are getting, you got 100% in one exam, right? Your graphs will be always linear. You shouldn't come down. All right. If you are coming down, then you are not following linear. You're not linear. You understand? So this is the linear graph. Always it should be same straight line. You always supposed to be 100% only. So your graph shouldn't be like, look at this, you are 100% here and 90% is here. You can't be like this. Again come down, again down. You can't be like this. Your graph should be always like this. You understand? Clear? Clear.
Yes, sir.
Your performance should be always consistent. So make sure that you guys are following that. Okay. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Next, we'll just have a look at the questions. Which question you had a doubt mostly? Akshit, you can just tell me, Akshit, which question you didn't understand. You understood, but you didn't revise it. You forgot everything and you lost the marks. That's what happened. Is it so? Akshit, is it so? Yeah. So who is Devasri? Aditya Ayushman. Who is Aditya here? Yes, Aditya. What was your percentage?
Sir, I think 80.
80. So why did you lose that? No, where did you make a mistake? 4 questions.
Sir, I made 5 mistakes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Where did you make a mistake?
Sir, I made one. Sir,
Tell me.
problem actually.
Sorry,
Sir, there was a word problem, sir.
word problem. So you didn't understand that.
No, sir, I understood. I made a
Okay, you understood.
mistake.
You understood, and you gone through that mistake as well.
Yes, sir, I have correctified it, but I didn't get one question, sir.
Okay, which one is that?
Angle formed with a line.
We will discuss. We'll discuss. Not an issue. Which question is that? Tell me. Yes. Yes. Tell me, which one is that? Which question is that? Hello?
Yeah, can you explain 22?
Actually, hello?
Yes, sir.
Someone was Aditya. Which question you had a doubt? Okay, no problem. Please tell me.
Sir, the 22nd question, sir. I have a doubt here.
You didn't do this. Clear explanation given here. Look at this here. So D is the point on the side of BC of triangle ABC such that AD bisects angle BAC. Okay. AD bisects BAC, right? Okay.
So here my doubt is like here BD is equal to CD. We can also say that.
No,
right?
actually, we had this question earlier as well. You only asked this doubt, but again you made a mistake. B only correct. BA is greater than BD. We earlier, I think we have
Then,
discussed
as
this.
far as I remember, we did not reach
Hello,
to
sir.
conclusion last time.
Actually, we had this type of question earlier as well.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I had a doubt in 25th question. Ritu can
Who is this?
row downstream 20 kilometers in 2
Who is
hours.
this? Who is this? Akshit, you are
Sir, Aditya.
Aditya. Yes, Aditya. Just a minute.
Sir, for me, it's 25th question.
Okay, just a minute. We'll go for that. I was calling you. You was not here.
Sorry, sir.
No problem. Yes, yes. Tell me, look at this here. Given that triangle ABC, AD bisecting angle BAC here, and look at this here. He has given BAD is equal to CAD. लिख सकता हूँ ना, बाइसेक्टिंग है ना, तो क्या बोलता है BAC लाइक AD इज बाइसेक्टिंग, तो मुझे मिलता है BAD एंड CAD BAD इज इक्वल टू CAD. लिख सकता हूँ ऐसा?
Yes, sir. So then, like, since they both are equal, aren't the sides like opposite to them also having the same length? Like the last time also we discussed, but we could not reach to a conclusion on that.
Actually, it should have been isosceles triangle, right? That's
There's no like given in the question like that.
yeah.
Right?
So yeah. So ADB is the exterior angle of triangle ADC. ADB is the exterior angle of triangle. हाँ, D तो exterior angle of triangle ADC है ना, देखो. ये थोड़ा ये explanation समझो इधर. एक मिनट, थोड़ा मुझे ये क्या
Sir,
बोले.
like I agree with the explanation, sir, but I feel that option A could also be an answer. That's
Why?
what my
Yes. Tell
sir,
me.
like yeah, sir, like when in the angle which is larger than the second angle of a triangle. Suppose we take that triangle, then that angle is like it'll have the opposite longer side, right?
Mhm.
Then similarly, since both the angle measures are same, they'll both have the same what do you call length of the side, right? Opposite side.
Mhm.
Then that opposite side for BAD is BD and for CAD is CD. So since they both are like having the same angle, their opposite side lengths would also be same. So BD is equal to CD, right? So that's my question.
Just a minute. People are joining. Who is that? One second, Piyush, be in line. Taruni, why were you late? Taruni, Modita, why were you absent for the test? See, Taruni, I'm talking to you only, Taruni. Are you here? Taruni, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Why are you late? I'm asking. You are in the yellow region, right? I asked you to join at 4:45.
Sir, I was a bit busy.
Sorry?
Sir, I was a bit busy, sir.
You should have informed me, right?
Yes, sir.
Then why didn't you do that?
Sir, I thought that I would join fast, so that's.
Sorry?
Sir, I thought that I would join fast, so that's why.
Thought that you joined first. Then where did you join? You are not even on time for the regular class. Forgot about the extra class. You are not even on time for the regular class. Hmm? Why? Why? Modita, why were you absent for yesterday's test? I don't see Modita is attempting the exams every day. I mean, like every week. So if if you are attending 1 week, then you are bunking for 2 week exams. So monthly you are just writing only 2 exams, weekend exams. Why Modita? See, internet issues. You don't tell me this kind of. I don't believe in this kind of silly excuses basically. So internet issues. I'm sorry. I'm feeling sorry on this. I can't accept this. Internet issue. Internet issue will not be there. I'm telling you. Even you go a normal village. Even you go a village, there will be such a good network. You will get 4G network in village as well. Wherever you go in village also 4G network is available, like full-fledged internet facility in village as well. Don't say that you if you are married you might be busy, but I can't accept every time. Modi, it is not the first time for you with you is this is not the first time with you, right? You are like keep bunking the exams, don't know why. May I talk to your parents, please? See, there are not second time beta, I don't see you are attending the classes as well, but don't know why. Let me talk to your parent once. Okay. Just a minute, 1 second. Okay, so yes, Piyush, you were talking about this, right?
Yes,
Look at
sir.
this here. Now what I told that that option BD is equal to CD, that is also correct. But if he is mentioning in the question such that if triangle AD is an isosceles triangle, then would have been correct. He did not mention anything something like that, isn't it? You understand? If you mention isosceles, then we would have gone for the BD is equal to CD as well as BA is greater than BD. You understand?
Yes, sir. Like, how would we like? Why is that required, sir?
Sorry,
So why is that necessary for that?
let me 1 second. Let us take this question. Chalo, look at this. 1 second. So good evening. I couldn't attend the test. I was not feeling so sorry. Arni, you had for Ganesh Chaturthi, you went for Ganesh Chaturthi 1 day, you went for marriage 1 day, and other day you went for some other function, other day you went out. How many days?
Sir, it didn't happen. Sir, it didn't happen the before month. So this month I had some problems, sir. That's what it happened. Before month I didn't miss anything.
Yeah, I'm not
Yes, sir. Me.
just 1 second, Arni. Modita, you are such a brilliant student. I know that. You are like capable of getting 100%. Why? Because I have seen your
Yeah,
results.
sir. But
Just a minute, let
yeah,
me talk,
sir.
please. Like you are getting above 90%, 93%, 90, look 100%. I have seen massive results from your side. So if you are a brilliant student like you is bunking the classes, I don't digest that basically. I won't accept for that. Even if you give a valid reason, I won't accept. Why? Because you are like such a brilliant student, you have to write the test, you have to
Yeah,
perform
sir.
well.
From now I'll see that I
Yeah, why?
won't do
Why?
that
Because
again.
you know
I will
this
check
is
with
for you.
hotspot.
Yes, this is for you, isn't it? It's not for me,
Yeah,
isn't
sir.
it? This is for you. If you are writing test, it would be, great helpful to you. I'm telling you that you are capable of getting 100% every time. Such kind of student, that kind of student you are. So then you
Yeah,
can't
sir.
miss those tests, beta. You can't miss the test. You understand Telugu?
Yeah, sir. I'm Telugu.
Yes. Then how come you understand? I don't understand that. I'd like అసలు నేను ఒక 5 నుంచి 4 5 to 4 టెస్ట్ రిజల్ట్ చూసాను. Like you got a good result actually. మళ్ళీ like you just keep bunking the classes. I don't understand. ఎందుకు అసలు నాకు
Yeah,
అర్థం కాలేదు.
sir. ఈ month అయిందరా. Before month it didn't happen like that. This month I had some problem.
See, don't repeat that. Why? Because I don't accept if a clever student is doing such. Like here everyone is clear, everyone is clever here. Those who are we have 32 members, right? 32 out of 32 are clever students. So it shouldn't happen with anyone actually. Anyone. I don't accept that. So you went for Vinayak Chaturthi, that these all are secondary. First primary thing is our exam. That is for 1 hour. 1 hour test. You just invest your 1 hour of time, just go wherever you want. That is not our primary thing. Primary thing supposed to be academics. Clear? Yes.
Yeah, sir.
Please look at this. This question is this very good question actually. Very good. Look at this here.
Sir, you're not audible.
Yeah, sir. Your voice is very low.
Your
Now,
voice is reducing minute by minute.
now can you hear me?
It's a little bit better, sir.
Yes. Look at this here. Now what I'm trying to say here is this question is a very good question actually. Let us draw the diagram. What he has given, D is a midpoint. Let us say the A, B, C is a triangle. अरे यार ये triangle थोड़ा अच्छा निकालो. A, B, C is a triangle. BC, D is the midpoint of BC. So D is here. Up B. So if it is this, I can join this now simply. And triangle ABC is such that AD bisecting. AD is bisecting angle BAC. By angle BAC. So इधर angle बन रहा है. So it is bisecting. ठीक है. Then क्या होगा? Option BD is equal to CD. BD BA is greater than BD. BD is greater than BA. CD is greater than CA. क्या होगा? देखो इधर क्या दिया? AD is a angular bisector. ठीक है, एंगुलर बाइसेक्टर है. तो इधर मुझे लिख सकता हूँ ना, आई कैन राइट दैट BAD इज इक्वल CAD, बैड इज इक्वल टू कैड. ठीक है, ये तो सिंपल सबको पता है. दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंस whenever look at this AD is bisecting. Look at this AD is happening. AD D is the midpoint of BC. तो bad is equal to CAD. Why? Because it is angular bisector. ठीक है, तो देखो अब देखो ट्रायंगल देखो. Look at this ट्रायंगल क्या है? This is a triangle. This is a green color triangle and pink color triangle. Green color and pink color. Look at these two triangles. इनमें देखो in from triangle ACD, from triangle ACD हम लोग देखेंगे. Now this will be my external angle. Yes or no? अब D के बारे में बात करेंगे तो देखो एंगल ADC देखो ये मेरा क्या होगा? एक्सटर्नल एंगल होगा. The external angle will be, we know that देखो ये external angle है ना, this will be greater than two interior angles. We know that. What we know here, external angle of a triangle will be always greater than external angle of a triangle will be always greater than each internal angle. क्या होगा? each internal opposite angle. देखो ये दोनों क्या है? opposite तो है ना, ये दोनों this angle and this angle. External angle will be always greater than each internal opposite angle. देखो मैंने अभी कैसा लिख सकता हूँ, नो कैन आई राइट दैट एंगल ADB is equal ACD plus D और ACD plus DAC, right? This is what I'm
Yes,
telling,
sir.
right? External angle is equal to sum of two internal angles, opposite internal angles. So this is what I can write here. हाँ, तो देखो अभी मुझे पता है इधर BAD बैड इज इक्वल क्या, राइट? तो बैड इज इक्वल क्या है? देखो मैंने अभी क्या लिख सकता हूँ, सो सच दैट इधर ये क्या है ना, ये क्या है, तो मुझे क्या लिख सकता हूँ इधर ACD सेम, तो इसके जगह में मैंने बैड लिख सकता हूँ ना, तो इसको मैंने कैड लिखूंगा ऐसा, आपको समझ, दिस विल बी ऑलरेडी कैड, सो कैड इज इक्वल बैड, कैन आई राइट नाउ? yes or no? So ADB is equal to ACD plus CAD, man. This is what I know. External angle is equal to sum of two internal angles. So here this one I'm writing as it is, ACD here, ACD as it is, and this place में CAD के जगह में in place of CAD I'm writing bad. So because I know that, but because you know this is what I got from the triangle, because since AD is a perpendicular bisector, I mean bisecting, ठीक है? So this is what I understood now. तो देखो अभी इधर से देखो, इधर से तो CD can't be greater than CA. इधर देखो CD can't be greater than CA. ये तो पता चल गया अभी.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, now ACD plus ये मिला मुझे, तो इधर मुझे ये now can I conclude that here A whatever you call ADC is greater than, so DC, I mean D is greater than A here, D is greater than A, तो मुझे इसको ADC is nothing but what, ADC is nothing but BA is greater than BD, ADC is what, ADC is nothing but BA, देखो BA is greater than BD, can I write? Of course BA मुझे क्लियर से
Yes,
पता
sir.
चल रहा है BA is greater than BD here, so that is what available option here. Now why can't other options are right, why can't first option is right here? देखो मैंने क्लियरली बताऊंगा आपको, ऑप्शन ये में क्या होगा, BD इज इक्वल CD, ये BD इज इक्वल CD कब इक्वल होगा, ये दोनों ट्राइंगल है ना, ये दोनों ट्राइंगल
Yes.
आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल होगा तभी इक्वल होगा, उसके वजह आई मीन लाइक यू नो बिना isosceles triangle you cannot say that BD is equal to CD here. So he did not mention any kind of isosceles word here. If he mentioned something like that, I would have gone for A and B, both are true. ठीक है, बहुत
Yes, sir. Like,
अच्छा होगा.
how is that? Like, why do we need isosceles necessary, sir?
Sorry,
So, why is isosceles necessary?
it is necessary, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, necessary नहीं है ना, necessary ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, अगर कंडीशन दिया होगा if it is an isosceles triangle then would have been like that. The condition कोई necessary
No, I
नहीं
mean,
है.
sir, like if we take that property that like a larger angle of a triangle, meaning the opposite side will be longer length, right? Hello.
Yes. Tell me. You continue. Larger side. You are saying something. Yes. Tell me.
Sir, like if we take an angle, if we take two angles of a triangle, then the larger side and the larger angle of a triangle, meaning like the opposite side to the larger angle is going to the larger side, right?
Yes, it is there. I'm telling you that 110% correct. You are. If I'm just telling you that, if he is something mentioning like that, only the word missing here is it is isosceles. अगर ये mention किया होता, देखो क्वेश्चन में होता है ना, क्वेश्चन में होता है ना, he will be mentioning, right? You just look at other
Yes.
questions, if you just look at other questions, in other questions, if the condition is properly providing you that ये ट्रायंगल आइसोसेलेस होता, अगर ये ट्रायंगल स्केलर होता, ये ट्रायंगल इक्विलेटरल होता, he will be mentioning what kind of triangle it is. He did not mention any kind of triangle over here. ठीक है, आया समझ? Then you can't go for BD. Of course you are right. Of course आप जो प्रॉपर्टी बोल रहे हो वो पक्का करेक्ट है, मगर वो नहीं बता रहा है तो हम लोग नहीं लिख सकते हैं वो, आया समझ? तो BI is straight away here greater than BD, मुझे साफ साफ पता चल रहा है, देखो इधर से, इसमें कोई दिक्कत है आपको? अगर आइसोसेलेस बता, देखो if he is mentioning isosceles then I would have gone for that. Blind
Yes, sir. I mean, I'm not understanding like how writing an isosceles makes it
one
different.
second. Partha Ahuja is joining here. हाँ, tell me.
So like I don't understand like isosceles triangle meaning like how we can write it and not in normal triangle. I didn't understand that part.
Isosceles triangle. How?
So like I didn't understand how like if it was isosceles it would make a difference in that statement.
अच्छा, you are saying how it makes a difference, how make it, हाँ, अरे ये देखो भाई, मैंने बता रहा हूँ, मैंने आपको एक दूंगा, एक look at this here. Simple सा expression, how it makes means like there is a question, अगर statement में नहीं दिया रहा है, extra क्यों लिखेंगे हम लोग? You understand? ऑप्शन
Yes, sir.
ऑब्जेक्टिव टेस्ट इज ऑल अबाउट, आपके पास एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है तो हम लोग ऑप्शन के पास नहीं जाएंगे, अगर वो सही भी हो, अगर इंफॉर्मेशन के वजह से लाइक जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है उसके रिलेटेड 100% पक्का आंसर मिल रहा है, तो देन विल बी गोइंग फॉर दैट. Until and unless he is not giving any kind of proper valid information, no, we will not go there. अगर आइसोसेलेस दिया होता भी like we would have gone there, but आइसोसेलेस नहीं दे रहा है तो वैलिड रीजन नहीं दे रहा है ना, तो वैलिड क्वेश्चन नहीं है ना वो, isosceles नहीं है तो, you understand? So if you mentioning isosceles, they would have gone for that. You are saying that how come it make a difference if we look that isosceles statement? Yes, you are saying.
Yes, sir.
If any question, बेटा देखो ध्यान से सुनो, everyone. अगर any question, if he is mentioning like triangle ABC is the equilateral triangle, if triangle ABC or CAD is some like एक मिनट क्या हो रहा है? Like some scalene triangle or right angle triangle, ये राइट एंगल जो स्पेसिफिकेशन है ना, टाइप ऑफ ट्रायंगल बता रहा है ना, तब बताएगा, तब जो उसका जो रेस्पेक्टिव प्रॉपर्टीज है वो अप्लाई करेंगे. अगर वो जो नहीं बता रहा है तो हम लोग उसके पास नहीं जाएंगे हम लोग. ये ध्यान से सुनिए, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है आपको. अगर ही इज नॉट मेंशनिंग एनीथिंग देन व्हाई वी गो फॉर दैट. लुक एट दिस हियर, मुझे अभी एग्जांपल याद नहीं आ रहा है, कौन सा एग्जांपल दे दो, एक दे दो. लुक एट दिस हियर, look at this, you have an option A beta, look at this, you have option A plus or minus 2, option B you have plus 2, option C minus 2, option D none. Then which option you choose? You got the answer, you got plus, first time you got plus, and you will get minus if you solve, so minus 2 as well you will get. So immediately you can't click on this, right? आया समझ?
Yes, sir.
So we will be getting that, then after solving that only will be plus or minus हम लोग देंगे ना. तो देखो इसका मतलब है कि प्लस टू भी करेक्ट है आंसर, माइनस टू भी करेक्ट है. इट डज नॉट मीन दैट देखो ये करेक्ट है, यू कैन नॉट से ओनली बी प्लस टू इज करेक्ट, प्लस और माइनस टू बोथ करेक्ट है, देन वी विल बी गोइंग फॉर दिस, राइट? अगर उधर दोनों आंसर बराबर है, व्हेन अगर आइसोसेलेस किया होगा देन बीडी इज इक्वल AC, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन करेक्ट होता, लाइक दैट वुड हैव बीन करेक्ट. ये ध्यान से सुनिए. यस, हाँ.
So it's given BD is equal to CD, not AC, right?
हाँ, so whatever, first option. BD is equal to CD. That's what I'm telling. BD is equal to CD.
I mean, sir, like that angle property is for all the triangles.
Sorry?
So the angle property, like the opposite side and angle property.
Look at this. Now tell me guys, next question.
Sir, I had a doubt in 25th question.
25th question, the graph of the linear. Let me just go to that.
No, sir. For me, it's 25th is retook and row downstream that question.
Which question is that?
Sir, for me, it's 25th.
Read the question. I can't. How can I understand 25th? Read the question.
Sir, retook and row downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours and the upstream 4 kilometers in 2 hours. What would be the speed of rowing in still water?
Acha, upstream and downstream. देखो, हाँ, yes, देखो, how many of you learned in 8th standard? If I'm not 8th standard, you might have learned this downstream and upstream concepts. Hello, 8th standard, how many of you learned, guys?
Yes. Sami.
What about others? See guys, you might have learned it. Look at this. हाँ, देखो क्या क्वेश्चन दे मुझे ये. Let us take this question. एक मिनट guys. Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours and upstream 4 kilometers in 2 hours. What will be the speed of rowing in still water? Guys, आपको ये फॉर्मूला पता है? स्टिल वाटर लाइक फ्लोइंग वाटर, ये कितना आदमी को पता है इधर? देखो मुझे, हाँ, हेलो,
Yes, sir.
he is asking in still water, right? देखो, very very good.
Yes, sir.
I look at this. We need speed, right? Speed. So let you just take speed. Speed of whom? Ritu. So let me write SR. Speed of Ritu in still water. Let us say X kilometer per hour. ठीक है? आया समझ? And speed of Ritu, हाँ, still water में है, ठीक है? तो मुझे क्या बोलता है ये? You should know two concepts here. Still water and speed of Ritu in current water. देखो, लेट्स से दिस इज y किलोमीटर पर आवर. आपको ये आपके पास फार्मूला है, डायरेक्ट फार्मूला में सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, आंसर पाओ. वेरी सिंपल. देखो मुझे पता है, देखो, देन व्हाट इज द डाउन स्पीड ऑफ डाउनस्ट्रीम? डाउनस्ट्रीम स्पीड क्या होता है? डाउन, अगर अरे अरे यार आपने ऊपर से नीचे आ रहे, डाउन आ रहे, तो कितना स्पीड तो फास्ट होगा ना?
Sir, it will be increasing by some.
हाँ, वेरी गुड. डाउनस्ट्रीम क्या होगा?
It will be
एक्स प्लस
express.
वाई होगा. एक्स प्लस, हम फास्ट रहेंगे ना हम लोग. एक्स प्लस
Yes,
वाई
sir.
किलोमीटर पर आवर. अप अपस्ट्रीम क्या होगा?
X minus Y.
एक्स माइनस वाई किलोमीटर पर आवर. कॉमन से देखो, डाउन अगर आप नीचे आ रहे तो कितना फास्ट जाओगे? यस सर नो. ऊपर जाओगे तो थोड़ा धीरे जाओगे ना. अरे यार सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट. आप यू आर राइडिंग अ बाइसाइकिल यार, ठीक है? You are coming down, you will come fast. If you are going like, if you are like right, if you are going on like somewhat hilly area, if you are going somewhat up, if you are riding towards up, it like you go so right, you go right, you can't go as like as speed as you are going in down downstream. Yes or no? Now when you are going in a downside, your speed will be high. When you are going upside, your speed will be somewhat lesser than the lower side, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
We know here that what we have to find out here. What is our question? What is the speed in still water? ठीक है? Speed we need. Basically देखो बेटा, अगर मेरे पास ये देखो, मेरे पास क्या क्या दिया है, इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है. He has given distance in distance, he has given time given. तो मेरे पास फॉर्मूला क्या है? स्पीड फॉर्मूला क्या है? हमारा जनरल फॉर्मूला, स्पीड इज इक्वल टू
Distance by time.
distance by time. ठीक है? तो स्पीड, हाँ, स्पीड ऑफ व्हाट? यू सेड डाउनस्ट्रीम. तो डिस्टेंस क्या है इधर? 20 ना. एक्स प्लस वाई। देखो डाउन स्ट्रीम का 20 है 2 हार्स में, ठीक है। अरे भाई ये क्या लिख दिया मैंने। तो अगर मेरे मेरे पास टाइम भी है ना, तो आई नो द टाइम फॉर्मूला। व्हाट इज द टाइम फॉर्मूला? टाइम इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस बाय स्पीड। डिस्टेंस बाय स्पीड,
Yes, sir.
स्पीड, वेरी सिंपल। तो मेरे पास टाइम 2 घंटे है, डिस्टेंस कितना है मेरे पास, तो स्पीड कितना है इधर एक्स प्लस वाई। तो देखो एक्स प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 10 लिख सकता हूँ मैंने, 2 गुना 2 10 गुना, ऐसा नो। तो मेरे पास ये क्या है, इक्वेशन नंबर 1 मान लो इसको। इक्वेशन नंबर देखो, टाइम मेरे पास टाइम कितना है डाउन स्ट्रीम में, डाउन स्ट्रीम में टाइम कितना है 2 हार्स एंड 4 किलोमीटर्स। 2 हार्स 4 किलोमीटर्स डिवाइडेड बाय डाउन स्ट्रीम, ये है ना स्पीड। गाइस आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट डाउन स्ट्रीम एंड अपस्ट्रीम हियर।
Yes,
आर यू
sir.
पीपल एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड हियर?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
एक मिनट, इधर मैं लिखूंगा क्लैरिटी से, आपको सबको समझ में आएगा। दिस इज फॉर अपस्ट्रीम, दिस इज फॉर डाउनस्ट्रीम। मैंने ईच एंड एवरी क्लियरली आई एम राइटिंग ईच एंड एवरी स्टेप। देखो दो, अरे एक मिनट, 2 1s 2 2s, तो x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू 2। सेकंड इक्वेशन सॉल्व करो भाई इसको। सो 1 माइनस 2 करो और 1 प्लस 2 करो। 1 प्लस 2 करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा मुझे, प्लस ये तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो 2x 12 मिलेगा। तो x वैल्यू कितना, x वैल्यू कितना 6। अगर x वैल्यू 6 है तो y वैल्यू कितना,
6
4।
minus 5 is equal to 6 plus 7 is equal to 4. Yeah.
देखो ये क्या है मेरा, मुझे पता चल गया अभी। देखो इन स्टिल वाटर राइट, स्पीड ऑफ द Ritu in downstream
So that's
is
6. Speed
Yeah,
in
it's 6
still water
kilometer,
is
right?
6.
still water बात कर रहे हैं ना हम लोग।
Sir, in the explanation also it's given 6, but like in the solution they gave it as the still water, so the current speed.
अच्छा you are, अच्छा you are, okay, option given wrong
Yes, sir. Like explanation also they gave the same thing, but they just changed the option part thing.
see here what
Yes,
I'm,
sir.
look at this here, x is what we took here, x is equal to still water right, 6 is correct here, but option
Yes,
given
sir.
6 is correct. No, actually this question only you are talking about, right? I gave marks to everyone for this question. That is what the result, guys. Look at this, those who got, I added 5 marks here to everyone, then I just announced the result. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so I included 5 marks to each and every student presented here.
Okay, sir.
Alright.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, can you explain? Sir, one more question was there. There in the options, 2 options were same, but
Which one,
we
beta?
did not get the answers.
Everyone, look at it.
So once,
1 second. I request everyone to ask the doubt, not only like Piyush, not only Akshit, not only Toshnika, not only Sujay, not only like only these guys are asking doubts. I don't, not only Harini and Bhargav. Yes, I request everyone to ask the doubts. Ananya, do you have any doubts? Why didn't you write your test?
Sir, I don't have any doubts, sir.
You wrote your test?
No, sir, actually I was out.
Can you please talk loudly?
Sir, can you hear me?
I can hear you better. Tell me.
Sir, I'll ask you doubts if I have any, sir. But these
Bhargav,
days I don't have any doubts.
Bhargav, I'm
Oh.
talking to Ananya. Then why you are interrupting? I don't understand.
Okay, sir.
I'll come to you, Bhargav. No problem. You can talk to me later. You can talk to me for 1 hour. I don't mind. Okay. Tell me, Ananya. You are. I can't hear your voice. Make it fast. Taka tak taka tak.
Sir, I was out, sir.
You was out.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yes, you didn't miss. So far, you didn't miss any test. So you missed 1 test. So this is the last chance for you. Please make sure that you are attempting all the tests. So if you have any issue, just please try to ask your mom or dad to drop a message to a particular concerned faculty or Manoj sir. That would be better actually. Without informing, don't please bunk the test, and without informing, don't do anything. All right, beta. आ रहा है समझ में?
Sure, sir.
You understand everyone, not only Ananya here, everyone. I'm telling to everyone.
Okay.
So please inform in prior so that we have a count. If you're not informing, what will happen is we don't understand what is the reason behind that, isn't it? As a teacher, may I should I be able to know the reason or not? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Don't you want me to tell the reason? What is the reason behind bunking the test?
Yeah.
Yes, everyone should tell. Kaji, why were you late, Kaji?
Sir, actually I was out of the house.
सभी लोग आउट ऑफ द हाउस है, तो घर में कौन है भाई?
Sir,
Everyone saying everyone, I was out. So
no,
if
sir.
everyone is out, then who is
No,
in
sir,
then?
I went at 4 o'clock.
Look at this, Kaji. You had to join. You supposed to join at 4:45 itself, but you are late for regular class as well. Okay, please make sure that you have to be on time. Toshnika out of house or punishment Tayaba. Okay, Ananya Toshnika is joking. So I went for playing at 4. Okay, no problem. Chalo, look at this here, guys. Make sure that
Sir, one thing I want to say, sir.
yes, sir.
Sir, next test, can you give some new questions, sir? This all questions you gave earlier.
All questions.
Sir, can you keep test on white app?
Look at this. We'll keep a test on Wise app. I'll prepare questions.
Okay, sir.
So what's happening is we
Okay.
are taking the questions from topper. We do not know that which question has been already repeated, which question. Like, if I choose the chapter, same question might be sometimes repeating. So yes, we will conduct
Okay.
next exam.
That means maximum the questions are repeated, sir. That
No,
is
sir,
why
it's actually gives us a bit of revision.
Yes, a kind of bit of revision only, but you can't attempt the same thing already. So next time I'll just keep different chapter, not an issue. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So yes, Bhargav was saying something.
Sir, I have, sir, my only doubt is that, I sent you some table, a
Very good.
PDF.
Very good, beta. So you don't have nowadays, so you're not asking.
Sir, like that PDF, sir, can you check whether it's correct or not?
Yes, definitely. Like, I'm, just, held up with many works, so I'm not able to check. Definitely today itself I'll check it. After the class, you please remind me, Bhargav, once. Why? Because I'll be having many works, so I can't go through each and everything. So you just drop me a message. I'll just go through that bit. Okay, after the class. Today itself. I'll
Okay,
correct
sir.
it. Okay, I'll definitely.
Okay, sir.
So I'm sorry for that. Next. Any doubts? Any doubts?
Sir, one more question. I had a wrong options.
Yeah. Which one was that?
So 1 minute, I'll just read the question.
Please, read
Yes, sir.
Quick. We'll
The
have
point which lies on y-axis at a distance of 5 units in negative direction of y-axis is dash.
Acha, so okay. This one I think 1 second.
Yes, sir. There's no 0, -5 option there. That's why.
The point. एक मिनट क्या हुआ? एक मिनट चलो. The point which lies on the y-axis, okay, at a distance of 5 units in the negative direction of y-axis. Okay. So option should be 0, -5, right? Yes, options are wrong here. Okay. Then your marks are right. I gave a marks to everyone, right? You understand?
So then how am I still losing 15 marks, sir? I should be losing then 10 marks. That's why I asked.
You lost how many marks?
Sir, I made a total of 4 mistakes, sir.
Okay.
Then I'll be losing 20 marks, but 2 questions are wrong, so I would be losing only 10 marks, right?
Your voice is breaking, Piyush. So you made 4 mistakes. Okay, fine.
And sir, you gave marks for 2 of them, right?
No, 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 I give marks for only one of them.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
So I
sir.
didn't. Yeah, that's why. So I didn't, just consider this question. I didn't know this. This one was wrong. Yes,
Okay, sir.
you might have texted me yesterday. So not a problem. Not a problem. Not a problem. So next time onwards, look at this here. You learned your mistake. Right? Next time onwards, we'll
Yes, sir.
keep a test on WhatsApp. WhatsApp. I'll give questions myself, not
Yes, sir.
this one. I'll prepare the question paper from my side and post it in the WhatsApp so that everyone can go through that. Yes, any
Sir,
other?
one last doubt. It was like the longest chord of a circle. They gave some points. We had to find the center. Is there any formula for that?
Which one? Which one? Which question is that? Can you please tell me number or read the question?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. So it was like the longest, the endpoints of the longest chord of a circle are -6, -8, and some other points, sir. Find the center of the circle.
Was the question in our last exam?
I don't remember, sir.
It was a question from a question paper or what?
Yes, sir. So it was in this exam only, sir.
Okay, okay, okay.
Sir, like you can do control F.
So no, no, no. Why I'm asking is like we'll just snap that question and post in the OneNote and write so that everyone can go through that. Once I share the notes, 1 second, 1 second. Which question is it? This one. Acha. So very good question.
Yes, sir.
What he has given the endpoints of the longest chord. What do you mean by chord actually? Chord is nothing but, look at this. This is my chord. This is my, what is this? This is chord. What is this? Secant. You understand? This is my radius. This is my
Yes, sir.
diameter. Array, एक minute. This is my diameter. 2 radius is equal to 1 diameter. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
He's talking about chord. Chord is nothing but joining 2 points. Secant is nothing but joining 2 distinct points on a line. This is a line. This is a secant. Segment. Chord is nothing but segment. Secant is nothing but line. So here the end points of a longest chord. Longest chord is what here? Longest chord of the circle.
It's a diameter.
Diameter. Common sense. The
Diameter.
longest chord of the circle is diameter. So, we have to find the center here. We have to find the center. How can you find the center here? Very simple. Basically, मैंने एक बार like I'll maximize the screen. You have a very good formula for this.
Sir, so basically we can use distance formula to find the distance and then divide by 2 and then try to find the result.
Exactly. Look at it. That is right. That is how we do. Look at it here. Longest chord of the circle is this one. So diameter. तो क्या दिया है इधर? Basically, look at the midpoint of the diameter. If you do midpoint of the diameter is what? Center, isn't it? Yes or no? बेटा मेरे पास क्या है? देखो 4,2 है this one and -2,8. Why we are taking this as a diameter? Why? Because longest chord of the circle is diameter, right? एक minute. My bad. Sorry. Diameter. ठीक है? तो इधर diameter है तो इधर ये end point दिया है, this point and this point. So what would be the center here? Midpoint here, na? This is the midpoint. Midpoint formula is what? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the midpoint formula. You will be learning in 11th standard, not now.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Midpoint. देखो common sense. So आपने midpoint मतलब divide by 2. You whatever you said, right? Whatever you said, that is absolutely right, beta. What is x1 here? This is my x1, y1. Whenever you get this type of question, this is how you must, this is what your formula. ठीक है? X1, Y1.
Yes, sir.
So X1 is what here? -4 plus 2 divided by 2. So Y1 is what here?
Sir, it should be -4 and -6, right? 2 is Y1.
Sorry?
Sir, it should be -4 plus -6, right?
Oh, sorry. -6. X2 is -6. Okay. -6. So Y1 is what here? 2. Y2 is what? -8 by 2. तो देखो इधर क्या मिलेगा? -10 by 2, 5. -6 by
Yes, sir. -3. Okay, yeah.
देखो
Yes, sir. Got it.
option D is correct here. As much
Yes, sir.
very simple. This is what the formula beta midpoint formula of it. You'll be learning in straight lines chapter called straight line in 11th standard.
Yes, sir. Sir, I took the distance formula, distance between 2 points, and then I divided it, and then I
Exactly.
substituted the option.
Distance between 2 points.
Answer that x2 plus x1 by whole square minus y2 plus y1 by whole square, like whole square root. That'll give us the distance between 2 points, right?
Yeah. Understood.
Yeah.
So, yeah, exactly. You can do that
Then I
here.
divided it by 2 and I tried substituting the options.
Exactly. You can do that. Any doubts apart from this? Everyone. Pranav.
Sir, in this concept.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Pranav, please go through your question paper. Question paper is available still. You can go through the question paper, ask the doubts if you have any. So, Kaji, do you have any doubts? See, I just in extra class, those who have joined extra class, for them, I just told some valuable points. Everyone, look at it, beta. So this week test, don't keep a target for your final test. Your target shouldn't be your final test. Your target should be with your weekend test. All right. So if you are keep performing well in your weekend test, summation of all these weekend tests, you understand what I'm trying to say here? Summation of all these weekend tests gives you
Your voice is breaking.
summation of all these weekend tests gives you a big result in your final test. As much you understand? So
Yes, sir.
final test. So don't focus. Let us not focus on this now. Let us focus on these individually. Next week we focus on this. The following week you focus on this. A following week you focus on this. So if you focus on individual test, like at last you will get good result. If you straight away focusing on final test, you will missing all these things. You will fail in the final test. You understand? Mantra. What is the mantra? Focusing on your weekend test. Weekend test, whatever you are keeping, prepare well for that, and just make sure that you are getting confidence. You are getting self-confidence. And the first point of this week, what is our target? Practicing daily 10 to 15 MCQs on the respective chapters. Attempt quizzes at your home. 5 to 10 minutes quizzes. Don't make much time on the quizzes. Within 5 minutes you must finish. If you are choosing 20 questions within within more than 20 questions, if you are choosing, means then take hardly 10 minutes. If you are choosing somewhere 15 questions, something like that, then try to finish it within 5 minutes. You understand, everyone? Okay. And third point is what? Let's not be in the yellow region. No one should be in the yellow region. Yellow region is yellow region is a danger region. Yellow region is a danger region. So let us not be in that region. Aya samajh? All right. Yellow region is a danger region. Dekho. Yellow is a danger region. If you are getting above 90%, it's a good region. You will be in a good zone. Clear? You'll be in a good zone. You'll be laughing always. Smiley face. Understand? Clear? Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Chalo, then let's have a quiz. If you don't have anything, if you don't have any doubts, shall we have a quiz? I request
Yes,
everyone,
sir.
please. I request everyone, please. Taruni, do you have any doubts, Taruni? Please go through your test.
Sir, I've sent it out in WhatsApp, sir, but then no one responded.
No one will respond. You must tell me. You must know once you look at this here, guys, boys and girls. If anyone posting doubt in a Wise app, please drop a message to me. Sir, I have posted a doubt there. Okay. And if no one is responding, Taruni, you do one thing. You do what you do. This is your doubt.
Yes, sir.
Math doubt. This is yours.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm talking about question paper, not that one. This, other chapter doubts will keep a separate session for that. We'll discuss that. Don't worry. Okay. Probably Wednesday we'll be having doubt session. This Wednesday. Okay. Wednesday. Next Wednesday will be doubt session, guys. So everyone, be ready with your doubts. Find the doubts. Post in Wise app, so that I'll collect all the those questions. I'll just paste it in the OneNote, and we can collectively discuss those doubts. All right. It is for everyone, not only Taruni. It is for everyone. Taruni, I'm talking about. Do you have any doubts from the question paper?
No, sir.
Very good. Please go through that. If you just made mistakes, so many mistakes, Taruni, so please make sure that you are going through the question paper again and again. If you find any difficulty, you just come to me again. We'll discuss it. Okay. Chalo. We'll go for the quiz now. Just a minute. Let me share the last 7 minutes. So let's have a quiz. Last 7 minutes. Immediately, everyone finish it off. Everyone should join immediately. We will not wait for the people who are not joining. We'll immediately write that. Okay, which chapter you want me to conduct? Hello. Hello.
So linear equations are
Sorry.
triangles.
No, we have done down so much that.
Triangles quiz. Okay. So
So I'll be having my term exam after Dasara.
we'll be having.
So does everyone have a term exam after Dasara?
Might be.
No, sir, for us, before
It's
December.
already
Before
started.
that's right.
Yeah, so even for us, it's already started.
So yeah,
Sir,
might,
still 10 days for us also. Yeah.
might be.
So day after tomorrow math exams.
Please make it fast. Join the quiz. After the quiz, you can just talk to me. No problem. Join the quiz immediately. Yes, join it, make it fast. I'm starting, make it fast.
So many questions are wrong.
Yes, tell me, Toshnika. Leave it. Those questions you leave it. Please attempt rest.
Okay, sir.
Sir, like when I'm clicking on one option, it's going to some other option, sir.
Yes. What is happening, Piyush?
Sir, sir, selection is wrong, sir. Like when
Leave
I'm
it.
clicking
Go
on
for
it,
the-
it's
Go for the next
feeding it.
question. Go for the next question. Leave that question.
Sir, it is also happening for me the same, sir.
Go for the next question. It is a technical issue. We can't do anything.
So done, sir.
Even one of the questions, more than one options is correct, sir.
Okay, so you have only individual options. Ananya, you have only individual options, or like more than one correct is like we can't do anything. If you have proper option, then you can click on that.
No, sir, it's like you have to choose
Okay.
one, but if you're choosing, since there are more than one correct options, if you're choosing another one which is right, it should.
Leave that. No problem.
Sir, can you allow me?
Sorry.
Sir,
Yes,
done
I'm in
with
the
the
waiting
quiz.
part.
Done with the quiz. Time up.
Sir, can I leave the meeting?
Yes. Done with the quiz.
No, sir.
Make it fast. I have next class immediately. Make it fast. Last minute.
Sir, the boss guy is back. Boss is back.
So I was in fourth place, sir. Again, now I'm at fifth place. Sorry.
All right. So chalo, let's retire now. I'm just winding up the quiz.
So who is first?
Boss.
Sir, 1 minute.
Wait. I'm gonna remove the boss. Who is this boss actually? Whom this guy is his boss?
Yes, sir. The boss is back. Boss is back.
Arey, stay in. Boss is back. Hai?
Yes, sir. That boy will come always, sir. That is.
Chalo, let's retire. I'm just
Sir.
waiting for the quiz. Please, I have class next. You have to make it fast. I'll give like 2 to 3 minutes extra for the next quiz, but I don't think so. This quiz. Okay, Ananya has done all questions. Correct. What's happening, Aruni? Done with the quiz?
Long back, sir.
Wait. Okay, chalo. I'm winding up the quiz. Just a minute. Who is still doing? Mohit is doing. Devasthi didn't even attend.
Sir, I'm still doing, sir. I joined with another device.
No problem, Piyush. No problem. Just a minute. We'll continue this quiz in tomorrow's class. Okay. Chalo.
Yes, sir.
So Ananya, Pranav, Bhargav. First, Ananya first, Pranav second, Bhargav third. Congratulations. And you know, many of you are not. Oh, Taruni 90%. Congratulations, Taruni. Taruni, Harini. Very good, very good. So Kaji 60, Stayan 60. Nice. So yes, those who are having like a few of you had a network issue from your side. Please make sure that you guys are having proper network and just attempt the quiz. Okay, before quiz you please have you should have proper network. Okay, all right, beta, no problem. Those who got less marks also, you are capable of doing that. So next exam you just rock it. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Sir, reminder, please check the table, sir.
Yes, Bhargav, I'll do that. Thank you. And not now. I'll check after the class. I have your seniors 10th standard. After that, I'll check it out. After 1 hour, you drop me a message, Bhargav. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Bye.